Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about GitLab project management. When we have a project in GitLab, we have many options available. Some of the options are very useful and we have to understand this because we want to understand GitLab for DevOps. Now, I have one project X here. Now, this particular project is a private project. And if you go inside this particular project, you are going to get all these options: manage, plan, code, build, secure, deploy, right? We are going to understand many of this step by step. And the first option we have is manage. What is the use case and what are these options, activity, members and labels? We are going to understand all this in this particular video. Introduction of the manage tab. This section is particularly useful for maintaining the smooth operation and organize of project within the GitLab. It provides tools and features for track activities, team members to control access and categorize the components. Now, the first option we have is activity tab. So this area gives you a chronological view of what's happening into the repository, such as recent commits, merge request, issue updates. Okay, if anything happens, you can track all this activity for your project. Let me go to this. If I'm going to the activity, here you will find out that all the event will be listed here. And right now we have only one event. This is like project created by the user Bhavesh Atara. Push events, merge event, issues, comments. Okay, nothing is available over here. Why? Because it is just a new repository. Right now, I am going to give you example of push events. Okay, others, when we will learn, we will track this from here as well. So, to give you example of push event, to track this push event, what I am doing, I am going to create one Git repo in my local system and I am going to push this commit from local to remote. Okay, so I am going to open git bash and going to the git test folder. Here I am going to create one directory. Okay, prox cd prox. Okay, going to convert this into the git repo, git init. Going to create one file, echo testing file for project X, and here I'm going to say file 1. Git add file 1, git commit, there's m version 1. Okay, I got this. Now I am going to add remote repo. Okay, so going to the project X, and here I am going to add this. Okay, I have SSH, so let me copy this. Okay, now I'm going to push this, git push origin, and we have master branch. I'm going to add this master branch. Okay, now it is asking me for SSH key. I have this SSH passcode. Okay, so I just add it and now I push this particular commits to my git remote repo. If I am going to refresh this, here I will get it. Okay, this is a file 1 I have. And if you go to the current activity, okay, in all activity you will find out that Bhavesh Atara created this repo. Now he also pushed this particular commits over there. You can find out this into the push event as well. Yes, we'll talk about merge event, issue events, comments in upcoming days, because right now we are just learning the step by step. So we just able to track only one activity known as push events. Okay, so don't worry, we'll discuss about all of this step by step. Now, the second option we have is a member. Here you can control who can access to the repository. In the previous video, we already discussed about this, how we can add members and everything. So it is the same process we have. You can assign role, assign permission, and manage team composition and access level. In the previous video, we already discussed this. Again, I'm going to add one members over here. So if you go to the members, you will find out that we have only one member, who is actually myself, okay, who created this particular repo, and he is the owner. Now I'm going to invite members. Here I'm going to use same account info, going to add email ID info@cloudfolkshub.com. Okay, I'm going to add this user as a reporter. I don't want to add any expiration date, it is optional. So let's add this user as a reporter. I have this account open as well. If you look at this, okay, if I'm going to refresh this, okay, I can find out this, and this is a project X, and I am having reporting access. Okay, so this is like we already covered this in the previous video, so we have idea about this. Okay, and then we have last is a label.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.